Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Apex Classes, and today we will discuss an important question on vector analysis. And the question is, if the vector v is x plus 3y into I cap plus y minus 2z into j cap plus x plus az into k cap is solenoidal, then the constant a is. So first of all, we will have to write the condition for a vector v to be solenoidal. That is, the condition is divergence of v should be equal to 0. This is the condition for a vector to be solenoidal. Now we have to write the formula of divergence of v also, and we write divergence of v as del v upon del x dot product with I cap plus del v upon del y dot product with j cap plus del v upon del z dot product with k cap. And del v upon del x means partial derivation of v with respect to x. Del v upon del y means partial derivation of v with respect to y. And del v upon del z means partial derivative of v with respect to z. So first of all, we will calculate divergence of v by calculating del v upon del x, then del v upon del y, and then del v upon del z, and then we will put the value in this equation. Let this equation be equation number 1. So divergence of v del v upon del x is equal to del upon del x and value of v. Now you also see that here we have dot product with I cap also. That's why we will take only those quantity from here which contains I cap, which means for the partial derivative of v with respect to x, we will take only this quantity. So that's why we will write here x plus 3y dot I cap. Now this comes out to be del v upon del x comes out to be I cap, and because this term is y only and it does not contain x, that means the derivation will be equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. Now again, for calculating del v upon del y, we will write only those terms from this equation v which contains only j cap, which means the second term. So this will be equal to del upon del y of y minus 2z into j cap. So on solving this, we will again get del v upon del y is equal to k cap, because the second term is minus 2z and it does not contain y, that means its differentiation will be 0. This will be, and for the final we have to write del v upon del z, which means del upon del z, and here we will write only those terms which contain only k cap, which means the last term. So this will be equal to x plus az into k cap. On solving this, the first term is x and it does not contain z, which means its derivation or its differentiation will be equal to 0, and the differentiation of az will be equal to a into k cap. This is equation number 4. Now we will put the value of equation number 4, equation number 3, and equation number 2 in equation number 1. So on writing the values, we will get divergence of v is equal to, the first value is I cap dot I cap plus second is j cap dot j cap, and third is a k cap dot k cap. Now again, the divergence of v should be equal to 0 because it is solenoidal, and I dot I, the dot product of I and I is 1. Similarly, the dot product of j and j is 1, and the dot product of k and k is 1. So here we will get a. So on solving this, we will get a is equal to minus of 2. This will be the value of a. That means option number C will be the correct answer. So if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you.